How to start deep work in 5 minutes, no motivation needed. If it takes you 20 to 30 minutes to get into deep work, you don't have a focus problem. You have an activation problem. In this video, I'll show you how to start deep work in 5 minutes using a simple entry protocol that removes hesitation and forces immediate momentum. Most people waste the first half hour adjusting their chair, checking messages, rereading notes, organizing files, and mentally preparing. It feels responsible. It feels productive. But that transition time quietly drains your highest energy window of the day. By the time you actually begin, your cognitive sharpness has already dropped. Deep work doesn't require motivation. It requires controlled ignition. Once momentum starts, focus sustains itself naturally. But the first 5 minutes decide whether you enter depth or drift into shallow work. If you don't control the entry, distraction fills the gap. This system removes hesitation by eliminating choice. It is structured, repeatable, and takes less than 5 minutes to execute. You run it the same way before every session. That repetition is what trains your brain to switch modes quickly. Step 1 is decision lock. Before you begin, choose one clearly defined output for the session. Not study, not work on presentation, not make progress. Instead, complete 10 slides, solve 15 problems, write 600 words, outline section 2. Ambiguity creates delay because your brain doesn't know where to direct effort. Specificity creates movement because it defines a finish line. When the brain sees a clear endpoint, resistance drops instantly. The task feels contained and manageable instead of overwhelming. Write that output down and place it directly in front of you. This becomes your execution target. During the session, nothing else matters. You are not optimizing your entire project. You are completing this one defined outcome. That clarity alone reduces startup friction dramatically. Step 2 is countdown isolation. Set a 5-minute timer. During these 5 minutes, you are not allowed to switch tasks, check notifications, adjust your workspace, or rethink your plan. You are not committing to hours of work. You are committing to 5 protected minutes. This is critical. Long commitments create psychological pressure. Your brain resists anything that feels indefinite or heavy. But 5 minutes feels manageable. It feels safe and temporary. By shrinking the commitment window, you bypass resistance. During this countdown, your only job is to work toward the defined output. No evaluation, no judgment, no optimization. Now step 3, imperfect start. When the timer begins, start producing immediately. Do not outline further. Do not reorganize your notes. Do not refine your tools. Just begin. If you're writing, write badly. If you're solving problems, attempt the first step. If you're designing, sketch roughly. Movement matters more than polish. The goal of the first 5 minutes is not quality. It is momentum. Perfectionism delays activation. Imperfect action accelerates it. When the timer ends, you have 2 options: stop or continue into a 25, 45, or 90-minute deep work block.